we implemented another algorithm for curvature correction. Now it's hardware dependent algorithm. We added another laser. So all the new models have additional laser here. Here, you can see this. And this is second laser. One laser using for autofocus, and it was before, and now we have two lasers. Second is controlling the curvature of the image. This is we must understand this task very correct. Normally, of course, every book should be flattened by the glass, and the ElarScan models are optimized for that, both in V shape and for flat. We have the models, we have the glasses, we have it automated and so on. But sometimes customer require to have a curvature correction. Sometimes it's practically impossible to use the glass, or not allowed to use the flattening by glass. And so we was forced to implement the very clever algorithm for analyzing, automatic analyzing the curvature of the book. And now it's implemented in all ElarScan A2 by default. So curvature correction is working with this. When we scan, we activate the function of curvature correction, and when we scan, a laser analyzing the curvature of the book, and the correction of the image is providing online. So it's important thing. This is a kind of ideology. This is original as it is. This is live image. And you see it's distorted. We have it curved. Yeah, and you understand that if it's not possible to flatten this image, so it will be bad image. It will be hard to recognize, for example, and then so on. This is bad images. You see the difference. So we are not saving the curved image. We are saving the image which is already corrected. So we do not keep this. This is not a kind that we are saving the curved imaging and post-processing this. We are processing this online. So you have this is original. It's curved, but we have on the screen we have the correct image. This is already flattened. So this is speciality, yes, of new algorithm for curvature correction.